Hello everybody and welcome to my 107th VBA 2010 tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to add a multiple grouped set of controls on your right click menu. So it's very similar to the last one, it's just that we're going to create kind of a sub menu instead. So first of all I'm going to delete my old one. I'm still going to have the reference to the cell context menu. I'm then going to create a new object which is dim my sub menu as command bar control. So this is just a control that you can add onto your command bar. And then what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to set it equal, so set my sub menu equal to, and then we want to do context menu dot controls dot add, and then this time our type is going to be MSO control pop up. And then I'm going to put it before 1 again. And then I'm just going to do with my sub menu end with. And then we want to do dot caption equals change cell. And then we need to create two more things. So I just want to go into my module and I want to get rid of my hello one, and I'm just going to do sub increase, and I'm going to do sub decrease. And what I'm going to do is active cell dot value equals active cell dot value plus 1, and then we're going to do the same one for decrease, except we're going to do -1. So you'll right click and you choose increase or decrease, and I'll do plus or -1. So if we come back in here, so change value, and then dot tag, and then I'm just going to put the same tag as before, so my cell, and I'm just going to put tag this time because I can't bother to write out the whole thing. It doesn't really matter what you call it as long as you remember. And then with our sub menu we're now going to add control buttons onto it, so with dot controls dot add, and then type equals to MSO control button, and we don't need to add in a position because it's just going to do it in our sub menu, and we just put in the same properties we did before, so dot on action equals, and then we want our apostrophe ampersand this workbook dot name ampersand exclamation mark, and then increase, and then we want dot face ID equals, and so we want to find a face ID, preferably one with like an arrow pointing up or something. So here we are, number 38. So let's use face ID equals 38, and then we want to do our caption. So dot caption equals increase, and then we delete the rest of this. We're then going to copy this and add another control. So let's go down here and we want to put our on action to decrease, We want our face ID to be 40 because that's our little down arrow. And then we want our caption to be decrease. And there we go. So this now is ready to go. So let's press play. And we haven't put our equals in there. Classic mistake. Press play. Right, so now when we go onto our worksheet and we right click, we're going to have a little submenu here that says either increase or decrease. So that, and we've got it wrong because we needed to put our apostrophe here. There we go. So if we press play on that again, just to get back into it, press play, and it's going to add multiple ones in there now. So this time we've got our caption there, because before I didn't put the speech marks in, it was treating it as a different, like, weird one. And then we've got increase, and that'll put the value to 1, or we've got decrease and I'll put the value to -1. And so that is how you set up your submenu. That's going to be it for this tutorial. And the next tutorial, I'm going to keep going on into control buttons. I'll show you how you can change this into a add-in. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.